Candles, fibs, crosses, EMAs. It's the tools of the day trade. Don't be a noob and trade on websites that don't give you BitBoy bonuses. Click the link in the description to get set up on Bybit or Femex and get an insane sign-up bonus for being part of the Bit Squad. Leverage trade responsibly, but do it the right way on Femex or Bybit. Bonus details in the links below.
BitBoy Crypto Morning Tea. Good morning, everybody. It's December 2nd, 2021. My name's Piano Matty B. That's Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets, where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All the humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni, bring in the data. The FOMO index is at 32 from yesterday's 34. Bitcoin dominance is at 41.1. 24-hour volume is at 122 billion. And the overall market cap is 2.61 trillion. Give or take 100 million.
Yesterday you were telling me about this dream you were having. You were running and you think you were getting somewhere, but then you realize you haven't actually moved. Did you have that same dream last night?
Yeah, Doc, I did. Is there something you can give me, to help me get over this?
Well, yes, I do have a recommendation. It's an old-fashioned drug, but it works. It's called patience.
Yeah.
Would you like to try it?
You're funny, Doc. Very funny. Thanks for nothing. Well, patience is a tough pill to swallow sometimes. I mean, I get that the crypto markets still get bogged down with the legacy markets, but still, being pushed and pulled with every dip that occurs is like having the worst, most unstable, annoying older brother that just needs to move out of his parents' basement already. Our parents, I guess. Speaking of basements, over on the 4-hour chart, we have fallen in between the 50 and the 20 moving average. Now, being in this position, it's like your older, unstable brother has cornered you and is showing you his model airplane collection in all its historic, boring detail. And you just want to get the heck out of there. We might see a dip down to 55.8 before he finishes his rant on World War II biplanes being the unsung hero of the supply chain war. Skoo-doo-ya-doo-doo-doo. At this point, under normal market circumstances, I would say that the bears definitely have the control. But a lot of this selling pressure is just market FUD. So I'm not going to give them all the credit. The bulls have made some decent effort and have tried to legitimately break out the past couple days, but this market FUD keeps pushing price down. I have to ask myself, how many shots are we going to take before we tucker out? My dad eye has spotted the MACD crossover bearish. Not a fan of that. But with all the rejections, it's kind of to be expected. Zooming out, one might say we could channel here till Friday before breaking out 57.5. Now over on the daily, we can see the same channel setting up for that 57.5 breakout as well. I'm liking the MACD almost crossing over bullish. Almost. We're all set up here, my friends. We're like a well-trained boxer who's ready to fight. But the promoter keeps changing the date and switching the opponents on us. Doesn't change our physical condition, but it can take a toll emotionally on us. But like I said Monday, take the time constraints off, my friends, and enjoy the ride. Remember, these are the good old days, and despite what you want to have or would like to see, reality has zero remorse, cares not for our timelines. And Doc, maybe I'll take a bottle of that patience azoline, or whatever you call it. Extra strength, maybe. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's a long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. F sharp major 7th to F major 7. BitBoy Crypto Morning Tea. Hey, oh, watch it,